Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the fiber ONT is online. Check provider credentials if PPPoE is required. Next, pick a router that accepts the fiber link, SFP or integrated WAN, and supports VLAN tagging and DHCP. Once done, connect the ONT to the router WAN port with the correct SFP or Ethernet cable and log into the router's admin page. This first step ensures a single authoritative device will hand out addresses and route traffic correctly for all shared devices. Once logged in, create the WAN VLAN that matches the provider's tagging and bind it to the SFP/WAN interface. This isolates provider traffic. Then define one or more LAN VLAN or SSIDs, each with its own DHCP scope, so devices get unique IPs from your router. Make sure NAT is enabled so multiple clients share the single public IP, and add firewall rules plus co-S priorities to protect and shape traffic. These middle steps let the router manage address translation. Now connect your devices to the configured LAN ports or Wi-Fi networks. Confirm each client receives an IP from the router's DHCP and that the router's gateway is the ONT or provider interface. Once connected, run speed tests and watch router logs for errors like packet loss or VLAN mismatch. If things go wrong, reboot the ONT first, then the router. If the problem persists, verify VLAN tags, PPPoE credentials, and SFP link status. This quick triage usually identifies the single misconfiguration causing share failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.